Your best bet to show eyelashes is probably, I mean, you could use the scribble tool and you could draw them individually. And you could make the line as thin as possible. Let me grab it. But problem with these is that they tend to look kind of fake, because they're most of our lashes are a lot thinner than that. So what I like to do instead, if you don't want to go that route because you don't like the way it looks, is we can create, use the curve tool to kind of follow our eye line here. Probably not all the way, but like part of the way, and then we'll just have a lash line, and how thick you have it will make it kind of like vary depending on, you know, if you want to make it look like you're wearing mascara, or if you want it to look more natural, you might just try like a thinner line, but heavier is going to show, kind of make it look more like you have mascara on. So this is an option if you're not happy with how like the individual lashes are looking. And you could do top and bottom if you wanted to.